Vessels flowing into the superior vena cava include the left brachiocephalic vein and a very abbreviated right brachiocephalic vein here. Both the brachiocephalics take in a subclavian vein here from the left side, and on this model they've cut it off, and a right subclavian here, which we'll follow down in just a minute. Coming off of both of the brachiocephalics are internal jugular veins. Here's our left internal jugular, right internal jugular. There is an external jugular, but it's not shown on this model. So let's follow the right side. So we have the right subclavian vein here draining into the brachiocephalic, and there are branches that come off of it. The first branch that comes off closest to the head is the cephalic vein. So here it is on the right side. Cephalic vein comes all the way down the arm, lateral portion, and continues down here all the way down toward the wrist. They've cut it off here because the wrist is turned in this fashion to be an anatomical position. The other part of that becomes the axillary vein here underneath the armpit. So that's here, axillary vein. And notice right here it splits again. The branch that comes down the medial aspect of the arm is called the basilic vein. It comes all the way down here. And then the part they have cut off is actually called a brachial vein. On our wire models in class, the brachial vein splits up into radial and ulnar veins, but we won't see those here because they've cut it off. We do see what's called a median cubital vein here, which is kind of shaped like a V, like so. And what makes it up are two smaller veins, the median cephalic vein here and the median basilic vein here. The two of those together make up the median cubital vein. And then draining into that, we find a median antebrachial vein here, which is kind of drifting over to the side on this particular model. We also see a palmar arch, which is a vein, and then going out to the fingers, we have digital veins that go out to each of the 5 digits.